Woo, guys, there is no greater feeling right now than me getting to celebrate my birthday with my girls. I'm having a pretty good hair day, and I'm wearing a bold lip. That's like a rare occasion for me, so can't wait. It's gonna be fun tonight. Oops, I just missed my turn though. You guys, major things are happening tonight. I am busting out my first sweater of the season for my girls' night with the ladies, and I'm partnering up with Oribe, one of my favorite hair care brands, to show you guys how I'm gonna be getting ready for tonight. Let's do this. Okay, so just got out of the shower, and I'm gonna start out with Oribe's Super Shine Moisturizing Cream, just a little bit on the fingertips, and apply it mid to ends, especially in the areas where my hair tends to get more dry, which are the ends. I'm trying to get my hair super healthy from roots to ends, so I really am trying to avoid putting too much heat in my hair. And then I'm going to give my roots a little bit of life with Oribe's Maximista Thickening Spray. Just want to spray this to my kind of in the crown area, by my bangs, just really the top. And then I like to give it just a little massage. If there's one thing I'm picky about when I wear my hair more natural, it's that I like the top to not like fall completely flat and then the rest of my hair is like super big out here. So I try to get that volume because you guys know I like to flip my hair. I really need the roots to be voluminous. So that's pretty much it for the products I put in my hair when my hair is wet out of the shower. So then we're gonna move on to diffusing my curls with a blow dryer. Looks pretty dangerous. I mean, this is some serious business that's about to go down. I just attached my diffuser to my blow dryer, and I'm basically going to dry about 90% of my hair using the diffuser. I think if you have naturally curly hair, the reason you want to put this on your blow dryer is because it still kind of keeps the curls and your natural volume intact. Whereas sometimes without this, it can make your hair look a little bit more stringy and it will make it fall flat. And we don't want that. And I like to do this on medium to high heat. If you notice, I'm actually kind of brushing through the ends of my hair gently because I want it to look like there's more length. And then for the top of my hair, if you're wondering how do you blow dry that situation, I actually like to brush it through a little bit as well to kind of tame it. Massaging the top once it's been smoothed out a little bit to just lift it up, give it this natural volume. All right, so that's it for the blow dryer. My hair is still a little wet underneath, and that's okay because it's gonna dry naturally. I am so glad that my hair is finally getting long. I think since having a baby, I finally feel like my hair is where I want it to be, and it's taken me a while to get back here. So as a result, I really like that I don't have to straighten it all the time, you know? It's great for days like when I'm in a hurry or I don't really want to do much to my hair. I like this look. You see how like certain pieces do look a little bit more stringy? These tend to be my more damaged areas of the hair. So what I like to do to also help minimize some of that frizz is to run a curling wand through these specific pieces of the hair. Now, I don't want to run a curling wand through all of my hair because I feel like the more I curl it with a heating tool, the more heat I'm putting in my hair, and of course the less natural it's gonna look. I'm gonna be using about a 1-inch curling wand. You can kind of tell the size of the curling wand you might need based on how your natural curl is. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of how I curl the top layers of my hair and around the crown and the bangs. This is the fun part. I'm gonna grab a small section just of those pieces that kind of bother me. You can kind of look in the mirror and see what stands out. Just curl those pieces. And obviously before you do that, you want to make sure, if you haven't already, just put some kind of a heat protector in your hair, whether it is a cream or a spray. I like to go behind my head for this side of my hair, and I just wrap it around my curling wand all the way around, because again, there is no strategy really for this because the curls, you don't want them to look perfect. So I'm gonna grab like different sizes and just curl it all around the wand. Don't worry if it looks super prom right now. it's not so much a curl, it's more like a wave, and I'm really not leaving the curling one on it too long. Just really quick, easy. This probably takes me, honestly, like 2 minutes to do all of the different areas of my hair. It's super quick. Look, it already is starting to just look a little bit more natural, and I haven't even brushed through it or added the texturizing spray. This has been a life-saving hairstyle for me the past couple of months, and now that my hair is longer, I just love doing this more natural look with my hair. It's like, obviously I'm adding a curling wand and I used a blow dryer, because whose hair naturally dries perfectly? And if you're one of those people, you might not want to say it out loud because we will come after you. I've been traveling like crazy lately, and I finally feel like now that I'm home, I can relax and get back onto my routine. See, it's coming together. So once I've curled a good amount, I'm just going to run my fingers through it to break the curls apart, and it just blends so nicely. See, after you do that, you can kind of go over any pieces that need a little extra love. Don't worry if the bottom, you curl the bottom, even if you want the bottom to be more straight, because at the very end, you can run a flat iron on very low heat just to the ends of the hair if you want. This is a look that actually lasts me about 4 to 5 days before having to wash my hair. I feel like the less I wash my hair, the better for me, because my hair tends to get more dry than oily. I'm just gonna go over any of these like annoying little pieces. That I'm like a perfectionist when it comes to like the crown area. I don't want it to look rigid and kinky. So when we were diffusing it and brushing the top, that really helps break up some of those curly ridges. So I'm gonna do the other side now, and just you're gonna do the same technique. Okay guys, there's one last thing I need to do to finish off this look and just amp up my hair. I'm so excited to be using the Oribe Texture Spray. You guys, I am literally obsessed with this product. If there's one product that literally I would buy for the rest of my life, it's this magical thing in a jar. I was so excited when they sent me the 10th anniversary limited edition one that I haven't even opened it yet. I'm gonna open it with you guys right now. It's like opening up a bottle of wine. Oh my God. I love the way that sounded. It sounded, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Here we go. I'm so extra. This is going to completely transform this look, okay? So it doesn't look bad, right? But I'm more into the wild, a little crazy, a little bit more, I don't know, voluminous look. So what I like to do is just spray this bad boy all over my hair. I definitely like to spray underneath my hair to get that maximum all day texture. But then I also spray it pretty much over my entire hair. So you can imagine how often I'm restocking on my texture spray. Why does it smell so good? That's what I want to know. So good. And then of course to my bangs in my root area. Okay, and then the last thing I do, I run my fingers through it all. This is always my favorite part. And I like to flip my bangs kind of in the opposite direction. For some reason lately I'm into doing it on the opposite side of what I usually part, because I feel like it's just more voluminous and it looks more natural. And then give it one more final spray. I'm obsessed. You guys, I literally used this texturizing spray on my wedding day, and my hair lasted like all night throughout the wedding. Like, it just looked so good. And that was probably the first time I think I started using Oribe's texturizing spray. Oh my God, I just realized that. Honestly, the texturizing spray is really all I use on day 2, 3, and even 4 after I've styled my hair, in case you're wondering, because I really like that it does absorb any oils that I do have at the roots, and it just keeps my hair looking fresh, and it smells really good, and I just feel like it's kind of like a dry shampoo, but not really. It just keeps my hair refreshed and alive all for the next couple of days while I rock this look. Okay, babe, see ya. Some me time has officially begun. So excited to be hanging out with my girls tonight, you guys, for some wine, some cheese, some Sex in the City. Do you guys like my pumpkins, by the way? I just got them and I'm so excited. I'm gonna get more and just cover up our entire front porch. That's my goal. Oh, look, I'm matching the door. I've been needing a night out, so I'm so ready and so excited for this. Cozy Girls Night! Yay! You know it's a party when you've got all the snacks. Shout out to Brittany for hosting this birthday party.
Shout out to Lucas.